Let us see how to create this part in SolidWorks. So see the main dimensions 100 into 64. Let us say and thickness is 22. So let us see how to create this part in SolidWorks. So go to new part design. Okay. Select the top plane. Draw the center rectangle. So these dimensions. So the dimension is 100 into 64. 100. This is 64 and thickness is 22. Mm, Extrude 22 mm. Okay. Next is this plate that is 75 into 64, 15 width. Draw the corner rectangle. This is 15. Exit. Reverse direction. This is 75. Okay. So we have to create a chamfer here of symmetric chamfer 16 into 16 on both sides. Go to chamfer here for distance into distance. So your symmetric chamfer 16 mm. Select the edge. Okay. Now create the rib. Rib is 40 into 70 and 12 mm thickness. Select the front plane. This side is 40 and this length is 70. Now create the rib of thickness 12 mm and OK. Now we have to create a slot here. Sketch. So this is 30. Now draw the center line. Make it symmetry. Height is uh, height is 12 and angle is 60 degree. Now create a slot with extrude cut. This is up to next and you So this is how we created a part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.